everyone! So on this video, I will show you how to create a StreamYard account and how you can connect it on your sessions live so you can do multi-stream. So let's do this. Let's go to StreamYard.com and get started. So just input your email address and check your email for the 6-digit verification code. And log in. So basically, we'll use it for personal use onward. And here, you can choose which platform you want to use StreamYard. So it can be on your YouTube channel, on Twitch, Facebook page. But if you're going to use it on sessions, you need to click Custom Rtmp. But only premium users of StreamYard can use this feature, Custom Rtmp. So let's create a new broadcast. Add a new destination. Let's choose Custom Rtmp. And we will be needing our Rtmp server, stream key, and a nickname. We can get this on our artist panel on Sessions Live. So here live. Just copy the server and paste it here on StreamYard. Copy your stream key and paste it again on StreamYard. And create a nickname. So I'll be using Manager Abba. Okay. So my destination is already added on this premium account. Let's try this. Testing. And create broadcast. Okay, by default, your camera is just the camera without this graphics rotating on my screen. But since I'm using OBS, here it is. I chose the OBS camera setup. You need to click the Start Virtual Cam so that StreamYard can capture your OBS camera. Then enter the studio. There you go. Before you can go live on Sessions Live, you need to go live first here on StreamYard. So click Go Live. There you go. And as you can see on StreamYard, I am already live. But on my artist panel here on Sessions, I'm not yet live. So you just have to wait. Yeah, waiting for preview. Once you see your camera live here on Sessions, you can now click the Go Live button. But I will not do that tonight because this is just a tutorial and I have no intentions of going live again on Sessions tonight. Anyway, that's basically it. But if you want to do a multi-stream, meaning you are live on your account and your co-host is also live on his or her session account, this is what you're going to do. Alright, so let's create another broadcast. As you can see, Sessions already saved my previous setting, which is Manager Abba, simulcast testing. And say I want to do a simulcast live stream with Ruthie, Mrs. KPV. I will have to click her account or KPV Sings account. I'll just need to tick those, and you can see you can customize each broadcast settings. I will not do that tonight because I don't need to. And then I'll just click create broadcast. Okay, so this will be our main backstage or our main host room, the StreamYard. As you can see on the top, there's my account, Manager Abba, R for Ruthie, and K for KPV. Once we click this go live, the three of us or each one of us need to set each artist's panel and go live for us to do the multi-stream. So that's basically what we do. So that's it. That's how you do multi-streaming on Sessions Live. Also here on StreamYard, even if you click the end broadcast here, it doesn't mean that your broadcast will end on Sessions. You still need to manually click the end show for your stream to end on Sessions Live. So I hope you learned something from this video, and happy streaming!
Kaya, uy, ang ganda naman ng ano niya yan, ng ikot-ikot na yan.
Tatanong ko nga kung nagustuhan mo ba yung
Once.
logo namin.
I love
We
it.
are not the
We
singers,
are
loud
not.
and proud.
Yes, may disclaimer na agad. Ay, ninang.
Yes. Okay.
Oh! Ganun ito.
Until dance. Tequila.
Tequila!
Oh, ay, gustong-gusto ko talaga. Ang galing.
Papagaling
Oo.
lang siya.
Ay, pero alam niyo, may patutsada din ako dyan. Oo,
Ano,
sinasabi
paano?
niya.
Sige nga, ninang.
Ay, yung sabi niyo ang ano, yung I am not a singer. Ano yan? I am not a
Ulitin
singer.
namin. Kami muna tapos last ka na, ninang.
Sige.
Ha?
Yan,
Reflect
yan, yan.
isa-isa. Okay.
Sige.
By the way, this is Jam Papa Mark. I am not a singer, but I can sing with a heart.
This is Ruthie, also known as Mrs. KPV. I'm not a singer, but a music lover.
And I am your manager, Ava. I am not a singer, but I love to sing.
And of course, this is Mervic Vicky Monosilio. I am a singer and I love you all!
Galing! Galing!